Hi friends, welcome to Aksh Animation. So in this tutorial we are going to make the shield of Captain America in Adobe Illustrator. It will be a very nice practice for understanding paths, expanding objects and blending modes. So let's create a document. It's of 1800 by 1800 pixels. Let's call it Captain America Shield. Now hit OK. Let's create a circle. Align it to the center of the artboard with the help of Align panel. If it is not open, you can open it via Window, Align. Now let's place it in center. And to make sure Align to Artboard is checked here. It will center the object to the artboard. If Align to Selection is checked, it will need an object to align one object to the center of the another. Okay, let's change its color. Well, I am not sure about the actual color of the shield. Neither I have any reference here, so I'm just guessing it. Hope you have a nice reference or you can find it via Google Images. Now we need few inner circles. So there is two ways to do it. First way is to just copy this circle by pressing Ctrl C on keyboard and then press Ctrl F to paste it on same location. Now we can shrink it by holding Shift Alt on keyboard and it will shrink it in same proportion. Now change its color to white. But since we need two more circles and we have to keep gaps between the circles exactly same, so I don't consider it good practice to measure it in this random way. So what I am going to do, just delete the circle, select the current circle, go to Object, Path, Offset Path. In offset field, let's try value of -50. Preview it. Let's try -75. Preview it again. I think it's fine now, so just OK it. Now we have another circle here. Let me undo this. Change its color to white. Still keep this selected and again go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Use exactly same value to keep same gap between the circles. Now let's use eyedropper tool to get the same color as of the first circle. Keeping it selected, do the same procedure with the same value one more time. Now let's change its color to blue. I think it should be some more dark. Okay, fine. Now let's copy our first circle and paste it 2 times in front of the all circles. Press Ctrl F or you can also do it by going to paste in front. Well, I prefer to work with keyboard shortcuts. It will increase your working speed a lot. So paste it 2 times. Here we have 2 circles. Let me undo this. Now let's move upper circle to the upper direction using up arrow key. Okay, now select both circles and go to Pathfinder panel and let's use -front. It will subtract front circle to the circle just below it and will generate a custom shape like this. Let me undo this. Now let's change its color. Let me make it some dark red. Now let's copy it and paste it in front. Now move it to the upper side. Change its color to light red. It's too much different, so let me first change it to the same color as of the first circle. Now change its color to some dark red, but not darker than the shape below it. Okay, fine. Now press Ctrl 0 to fit screen. Now it's time to make a star in the center of the circle. So take rectangle tool and just create a rectangle in the center of the circle. Let's use delete anchor point tool and delete this corner node. Now grab thread selection tool, select this node and move it to the center. Now change its color to white. Let's make another rectangle. something like this. Now do the same procedure as we have done previously. Move this node to the center. Select this triangle and go to Object, Path, Add Anchor Point. It will add these 3 anchor points. Now select this anchor point and move it to the upper side. I think this triangle should be more downside. Let me zoom it, grab the right selection tool and adjust the nodes. Okay, now select the both shapes and add them through the Pathfinder panel. Now select the first circle, copy it and paste it in front. Now go to Layer panel, expand it. Here is our new circle. Let's put this circle above to the all layers. Now fill it with a gradient. Make it to the radial. Go to the layer panel again and create a new layer. Now just drag this path to the new layer. I'm doing this to show you what's happening in the background. So let's put this circle to the other position. Go to Object, Expand. Make sure Fill and Gradient Mesh are selected here. Hit OK. Now in Layer panel we will get a group. Expand it and here we have another group in which there is a clipping mask. So let's first ungroup it. Go to Object, Ungroup. Now let's release this clipping mask. So go to Object, Clipping Mask, Release. Okay, let's first deselect the circle. If you move our cursor to the object, you will notice that there are 2 circles. This is the first one, this is the second one. Again first one, second one. So in Layer panel, just delete this clipping mask path. Now we have only one path, which is this circle. So select it, take Mesh tool or hit U on keyboard. Now let's add 4 points to the circle. Take the right selection tool and select these nodes. Let's give them some dark gray color. Now select these nodes and make them very light gray. So just follow this and give different shades to the different nodes. Okay, now we have to transform it to make it of the same size as of the circle. So select it, go to the transform panel and let's copy its width. Now select this one and in transform panel paste the width. As soon as you will click in the height field, it will change it automatically because the constraint proportion is linked. Now go to align panel and align it to the center. Press Ctrl 0 to fix artboard. Keeping this selected, go to transparency panel and change the blending mode to the multiply. Here we go. Now shield is shining like a metal. Just drag it away and you will see the change. Let me undo this. Now let's copy it and paste it in front. So we have some more dark areas and some more shining areas. Let's change its opacity to 50%. Now it's looking very nice. Let's add some more details. Go to Layer panel, expand Layer 1. Now select all path holding down Shift. Let's lock them so that they will not get selected. We have to lock pass of the second layer also, so that we can select the first circle only. Now if we click here, it will select the first circle only because all other paths are locked. Now just copy it and paste it. Let's move this path to the layer 2 and put it ever to the all paths in the current stack. Now make it perfect black. Go to Effects, Path, Offset Path, and reduce it to 10 pixels so that when we apply effects on it, it will not go beyond the circle. Now go to Effect, Artistic, Film Grain. Keep grain to 20, highlighted areas to 0 and intensity to 10. Just OK it. Again go to the Effect, Blur, Radial Blur. Keep amount to 100, blur method to spin and quality to best. Just OK it. Now go to transparency panel and change blending mode to overlay. So now we have a nice metallic texture on the shield. Let's set its opacity to 90%. And excellent. We have finished our shield project. Hope you have enjoyed it. We will always bring new tutorials to you, so just like and share our page to get instant access to new techniques and our upcoming plans. Good luck.